Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create your own auto clicker in Keyboard Extension. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. Unauthorized users cannot create or modify widgets. So, make sure you're logged in. Let's create a new widget. And let's pin it right away so it's always accessible from any app. In the preset list, add 2 buttons that will be responsible for starting and stopping. Now go to the Toggle category and add Toggle Bar. This will be our auto clicker speed switch. Let's first configure the Start and Stop buttons. Select the first button. Choose Action. Next, Tap. And Plugin. Open the list of plugins. Here we'll need the Mouse and Touchpad Emulation group. In this list, select the first plugin, Auto Clicker, and start clicking. For the second button, assign the same plugin, but select Stop Clicking. Now you can start and stop auto clicker with default settings. Now let's configure the speed toggle. Choose Group. Here, you can set the button display orientation. I'll leave it horizontal. Or add buttons to your toggle by tapping Add Tap, but 3 will suffice for my example. Let's go back. Choose Action. Next, Tap and Plugin. Here we connect the same plugin but set the Click Delay Interval Milliseconds parameter. All that's left is to set the delay values in milliseconds. To do this, select Edit Values. For the first button, it will be 100 milliseconds. For the second, 500 milliseconds or half a second. For the third, 1,000 milliseconds or 1 second. Done. Now let's label all our buttons according to their function, just as we did in previous lessons. Be sure to check those out. Let's adjust the text size. And let's change the widget's name. You can save and test it. To test the widget, I found a special website for checking click speed. Let's run our auto clicker. Let's select the medium mode. Now let's try the slow mode. Try configuring different clicking intervals to fit your needs. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of Keyboard Extension.